So I just spent $90 on this from a pawn shop to flip on eBay. You guys have to stay tuned to see what it is. Honestly, I don't know if I'm gonna do good or not. I'm pretty sure I'll at least get my money back. Didn't do much research while I was there, but some pretty cool stuff. And yeah, you're gonna wanna stay tuned to see what it is. What's going on, friends? If you're new to the channel, my name's Evan and I'm an online reseller. That means I go to places like garage sales, thrift stores, and sometimes flea markets to find stuff to flip online for a profit. Today we're doing something a little different. I've been to exactly 2 pawn shops my entire life, and that was actually part of my other job. So I'm gonna go and see if I can find inventory to flip. Pawn shops have always kind of scared me, so I'm gonna face my fears, because I've seen Instagrammers and YouTubers walk into pawn shops and come out with some really good profit. So we're gonna go check them out, see what we can find. Stay tuned. First pawn shop, didn't get anything. It was a little tiny place, so I couldn't really film a whole lot. The guy was sitting right there, and he actually told me that he didn't have much inventory because people were getting their stimulus checks and they were buying him out. So this may not be the best time to go pawn shopping, but we're still going to keep at it, see what we can find, and hopefully we hit something somewhere. You guys don't have any golf clubs, do you?
No, sir, we don't play golf clubs.
You don't? Okay. Alright, strike 2. Didn't get anything at this pawn shop either. I'm finding out that the prices at the pawn shop are pretty much the prices on eBay. And that didn't leave me any meat on the bone, but we're going to keep trying and hopefully we'll hit a jackpot. This Goodwill is only 2 minutes away from the next pawn shop, so let's see what we can find. So I grabbed this hat. This is a Walt Disney World Mickey Mouse, kind of a bucket hat. And it's got Walt Disney Productions. If you ever see that, you know it's really old. This one should be from the 70s. Honestly, it's not worth a whole lot. I just bought it because I thought it was cool. And it was $1, so picked it up. Bought a bicycle and I got my head mechanic cleaning it up. Paid $13 for it, and I believe I can get 70 or 80 on Facebook Marketplace. It's a specialized hot rod. Pretty good buy, I think. Back to our regularly scheduled program, pawn shop. So I just spent $90 on this from a pawn shop to flip on eBay. You guys have to stay tuned to see what it is. Honestly, I don't know if I'm gonna do good or not. I'm pretty sure I'll at least get my money back. Didn't do much research while I was there, but some pretty cool stuff. And yeah, you're gonna wanna stay tuned to see what it is. So I grabbed these two train cars, paid $90 for them. I hope it's worth it. Guy was originally asking $120 at the pawn shop, and they're not really train cars. They are Disney watches. One's Bed Knobs and Broomsticks, and the other one is Song of the South. The real winner is Song of the South. There's listings currently of like $100 and $150, but if you look at Terapeak, for people that use the keyword Splash Mountain, these have sold for over $200. The reason being is Disney just closed down Splash Mountain. They took the Song of the South theme out and they're replacing it with Princess and the Frog. So this Song of the South stuff is pretty hard to find. So I'm hopefully going to list it for $200. Hopefully I'll get it. Don't know. If I do, I think it'll be worth it. And then this other one will sell for like 50 bucks. One thing of note, I did learn that pawn shops, you can talk them down in price. I asked the guy his best price. He told me 100 bucks out the door. I said, how about $90 cash? And he took it. So hopefully I can turn this $90 into $250. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Was this a bad buy? Would you have done it? I don't know. I'm still on the fence myself, so let me know. So I made one more stop on my way home, quick thrift trip, and grabbed this goofy hat, and it's not worth a whole lot, just thought it was cool. And this red Octane Explorer controller, Guitar Hero Xbox 360, this thing goes for like 60 or 70 bucks. I paid $4 for both of them. This is gonna help soften that pawn shop blow. And truthfully, I'm not gonna add my pawn shop sourcing to my sourcing rotation. Not gonna be my primary. I may stop in every now and then and see what they have. I did learn that they're negotiable. So if I do find something in the future, I can haggle the price a little bit. And maybe they just were out of inventory. Like the guy said, people were spending their stimulus checks and they didn't have much. So may give it a shot later on, but not gonna be anytime soon. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.